Hi, I'm Don. Welcome to my channel. I'm an affiliate painter for Redgrass Games. Also, I'm an official painter for Vallejo Colors. So, pardon the biases. Also, do use my Suratos 10% discount code at usagundamstore.com. Today, we paint a foot. Basically, the most basic tutorial that I've done so far. We start with my thinning sauce, 2 parts thinner and 1 part flow improver. You could do away with water and flow improver if you don't have the thinner. I thin the gray primer, 2 parts gray primer, Mecha gray primer, and 1 part thinning sauce. Also, I painted black primer, Mecha black primer first over the red plastic, because red plastic, if you paint the gray primer directly over the red plastic will bleed through the gray primer. So you really have to paint, especially for red plastics, you have to seal it with black primer. The red plastic will bleed through any kind of paint. Like a decade ago, I used an industrial grade spray can, a white paint over the red plastic, and the red plastic bleed through the industrial paint. After 3 to 4 thin coats of the gray primer, we're good to go. It's nice and smooth and flat. Now we paint the red. We're using Mecha SZ red. It's a Zabi red. Also, if you've noticed, the Mecha gray primer is a bit too white actually. So I didn't bother to do a white undercoat because again, the gray primer is too white. I thinned the Mecha SZ red around 4 parts paint and 1 part thinning sauce. Paint in 3 thin coats. Also, if you've noticed, the first coat is always ugly. It's just a mist coat so that there's a tooth for the next coats to attach to. Now we do the modulation and paint Mecha Pink. Mecha Pink is actually Char's Pink. I'm whispering because we can't really say that it's Char's Pink and it's a Zabi red. Also, I don't measure, but my guesstimates of 3 parts or 4 parts pink and 1 part thinning sauce will do. Usually for modulation, especially for large pieces, you could just use a cardboard or a thick paper to cover the other sides or other panel sides of the armor. But with this one, we kinda used masking so that we'll have a definite shape within the foot. Vallejo officially advises people to let cure 24 hours before doing masking, but with this one, I practically mask after 5 to 10 minutes, and the Mecha Color SZ red is fine. To be honest, the durability of the Mecha range surprises me a lot. That's it, we're done. I hope you liked the video. Do like, comment, subscribe, and consider joining the channel so that you'll be part of our Discord community. Saludos! Hi, I'm Don. Welcome to my channel.